Hey guys, I will show you how I transformed my kitchen countertop from this look that you're seeing to this look. Yes guys, I will show you how I did that DIY. It's very easy to do. Okay, so just make sure you watch the whole video to the end for you to understand, and let's get right into it. So these are the things I'll be using. One is the sticker or the wallpaper or the kitchen cabinet paper. I also have this scraper, guys, is what you use in your fridge, okay, to scrape it. But I have that. I also have like this razor thing. You can use a knife or a scissors, but I use that. So first of all, you go ahead and just clean the countertop which you want to place your sticker on, or your wallpaper, or whatever you guys call it, right? So I clean it and make sure it is dry. I even go ahead to use like a napkin to just make sure it is extra dry. Then I go ahead, this is the paper, this is the aluminium foil sticker, moisture proof and anti-pollutant, and it's a 60 cm/5 m. Okay, I got it for 4.5 in the market. Guys, let me know what you think, if it was worth the price or the cheated me. Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, so I then go ahead to just start like doing the measurements, and let me tell you guys, okay, transparency in this video. See this method I was trying to do, this was what I thought I'll be able to do. Like, oh, I'll just spread everything at once and I'll get what I need. Like, oh, it's easy breezy. Guys, it wasn't. It was like, you guys just watch this video, you will see my frustration. It wasn't. But anyways, just watch me as I was doing this, and I'll tell you the best method to use, because yes, DIY, sometimes you get to figure it out, you should go about it. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, please now go ahead and subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe. Make sure to click the like button. Even if you don't subscribe, click the like button of this video. Thank you so much, and drop your comments in the comment section. So guys, this was what I was thinking I was going to do, right? Just cut the whole the centimeter, the whole length that I needed, and then just stick it at once, right? It's not supposed to be hard. Like, it's sticky. It's all the stickers that you just remove the chemical. I was fooling myself. Let me just put it that way. See me now, I was even still doing all the okay, extras. Let me cut the extras. Let me do the kinikan. No problem. Baby, let's achieve this. Okay now. So I went ahead, because again, this is a sticker. Like, you don't need to use gum for this stuff, right? There are some of these wallpaper sticker things that you need to buy, like bond gum and all, but this particular one is a sticker. You just need to like detach the sticker thing. You already have like gum on it, and then you just stick it to where you want to apply it to. So that was what I was doing, right? Like, oh, let me take out the paper bit. Okay, see, it was already giving me issues here, but there's nothing we can do. Covered. I was like, oh, okay, now let me just place the whole sticker in the first, that's the first length, everything. I want to cut like the cabinet, the sink stuff a bit, so that it would like go under it and all. And yeah, see your girl now, I was proper taking my time to arrange it and whatnot. Then I took the presser thing from freezer. You guys, you can use anything that will help you smoothen it out. So the reason for this thing is actually just to smoothen out the air bubbles. So I was using that, and see me feeling myself that, ooh, I got one line, no air bubbles, so smooth. We can do this. So I was like, okay, let me roll up the other side of the paper so that we'll just be doing it small. Do you get it? That was the logic I had for you guys. Work with me. Okay, so look at this now. I was like, oh, when I have this presser thing, I'll just press the air bubble thing out and I'll be good to go, right? Okay, now Debbie, let's continue. So I kept doing that. It was working. I was using the presser thing. I'm just going to say this fridge thing for ice. Okay, I was using it to press it and all. And guys, I was already feeling myself that DIY, come on. I do be doing things. Okay, I was already just doing that, and here is now where the issue happened, because apparently some of the paper that I thought was coming out was actually not coming out. Like, it's cut at some point and all of that. So I was like, okay, let me just flip it back and try and remove the paper like small, so that I can then just, the sticky part to just stick on it. Even this one was frustrating me, but I was just like, we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. All right, okay. So I began to take off the paper. You can see, guys, like even those edgy side and whatnot, like the paper was not going together as one. All right, this thing was giving me issues, but I was like, okay, let me just take my time and whatnot, and I would just be removing it one by one, and all this thing was really frustrating me. Let me know, like, even watching it now, I'm actually annoyed because this thing really took my time. But anyways, stick around because I found how best to do it. So I now flipped it that, okay, now let me continue to sticker the thing to the cabinet. Let me just press it down. And this was now where, guys, I was trying to press it, and then I realized that this thing was not lining as much as I wanted it to line. Like, it was not covering, like, it was not straight. It wasn't straight. Like, if you see the edges, the side close to the wall, there was now, I could see the wood thing. I'm just like, this is not straight now. Okay, let me flip it back. Okay, let me take out more paper and all of that. Like, because even still the paper was still, some were still not all losing, that kind of thing. So I was just like, you know what, let's take out all the old paper. I'm going to take it out at once, and maybe that would help. All right, guys. So I continued now that, okay, let me keep pressing it. See, guys, the thing was not lining, so it kept frustrating me. Then this stuff it started sticking together. I was moving, and okay, let me rearrange, carry it up. I'll rearrange so I can get straight lines. Anyways, that's how I took everything off. Guys, I took everything off. I was like, where do I start from? And yeah, I just went straight to it because I just couldn't be bothered. So the next step, I was just like, you know what, I have to figure out another way. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to do it step by step. Like, I'm just going to, the ones I can undo per time, like the measurement, the length I can undo per time is what I'm going to work with. I did not want to frustrate myself any longer. So that was what I decided to do. Just cut a little bit that I could undo and work with that at the moment. So yeah, it says I'd cut this particular length, and just taking out the sticker once again. This sticker can frustrate you, but all right. So I took out the sticker stuff and I began in this reduced size, and this one I could work with. Okay, so this is something I would definitely encourage when you are working with like this wallpaper and sticker thing. Cut it in a size you can control, because even though this thing will frustrate you, they'll begin to like clip together, and or whenever you take the paper, if you are not careful, they'll begin to come to each other. Like, it even happened here, but I was able to smoothen it out quickly because again, it was something I could control. If you can't control this length, you can even make it smaller. It will all work in the end. Then I used my presser thing to just press out the air bubbles so that everything can just be smooth. And here's what we have, guys. You can just see, you can see, right? See what we are doing. And then sometimes you can lift it back up, use your presser thing, press it, and this is what I have achieved, right? So I then used my presser thing to just, the air bubble. Then I took my razor, because this is actually the cabinet. There's a cabinet under that opens. So I needed to then create the space for it to be able to open. So I just took my razor scissors, my razor knife, and then just like cut out the line. Okay, so yes, this is actually advisable that you use extra of this wallpaper, and if it now over covers your surface area, you can then cut it out with your knife or razor. It's quite better than you saying, I want to manage the paper, let me use the exact length. It's gonna it might frustrate you. So it's better to just let go of some of those extra cuts, which was what I did. After I'd done that part, I then went to get the second part done. And guys, like I said, it's better to work in lengths that you can control than working with the whole surface at once. Okay, I learned that, and that was what I just started doing, just working in smaller sizes that I could work with, and or just cut it to your size. Look at what we have. And then it was so easy at this point for me to just continue sticking that through. All right, so I just continued, and yes, it's going to layer on each other. But one thing I like with this wallpaper sticker thing, you can't easily detect where the joining is being made, because it just seamlessly like blends in with each other. So it was something I didn't want before, but when I had to do this, I then realized that it actually is not going to show that you join them, that kind of thing. Like, you cut at some point, it wasn't going to show that. So it was just, let's roll with these. And you guys, you can actually see that you can't, if you like, you can look at the joining where they all join. You can't really see it exactly. It's just smoothing out so well. Guys, you need that presser thing though, to be able to press out the air bubble. Let me not lie, you need, if you don't have this exact one I'm using in the video, just get something you can use to press out the air bubble so that it can lay off flat and look all good. Like, look how my countertop is now giving me a marble vibe, like ceramic marble or something. Hey, interesting. So guys, I decided to also do the wall. I just decided to do this. I took out a little paper to see if it could stay on the wall, and I did that. It's not really sticking on the wall as much, but you guys, I just ran it and all of that. Right now it's still on. Sometimes it tries to come out. The wall one, no, I'll just use my hand and stick it. I think for the wall one I might buy like bond glue to hold it more, to stick to the wall. Reason being that this particular wall I'm showing you right now is very rough, so it will need bond to stay. But the other side of the wall is smooth, so it stayed well. And here is the final look, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Here is the final look. Okay, I just did a small portion of my kitchen because, you know, doing videos and whatnot. But guys, let me know what you think about this look. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do leave a comment, do like this video, okay, to tell me you did like it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Okay, bye guys.